Hi, I'm Kit. I'm the founder of Enate. I'm a manufacturing engineer by background, a computer scientist by career, and I founded Enate to build an orchestration platform to help businesses deliver world-class B2B services. In 2016, I coined the term orchestration, and orchestration is now at the forefront of delivering incredible services and managing multi-agent systems, whether those agents are people or AI agents. What I talk about best is the interface and the transition from service delivery to AI service delivery, and helping businesses understand where that balance point sits for them. So I've got a growing following on LinkedIn. I'm a member of the Forbes Technology Council. I think this year I've been on 6 podcasts. And I'm really happy to give my opinion about things. And I'm pretty good at giving that on the fly as well and responding quickly to questions and hot topics.